Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for bullet journaling. We will begin by setting up your digital journal. First, create a new database in Notion. This will be the central hub for all your entries. Next, add a date property to automatically record when you make an entry. Finally, include a status property, which is crucial for tracking tasks and their progress throughout your day and week. Now, let's dive into daily logging and task management. For each day, you can quickly add new entries and tasks directly into your database. Utilize Notion's built-in checkbox property to easily mark tasks as completed once they are done. This method allows for efficient rapid logging, keeping your entries concise and actionable, ensuring you capture all important information without unnecessary detail. Beyond daily tasks, Notion excels at managing collections and future planning. You can create dedicated pages or filtered views within your database for specific collections, like books to read or project ideas. Establish a future log to outline events and tasks spanning several months, providing a clear long-term overview. Linking related pages ensures all your information is interconnected and easily accessible. Finally, let's talk about reviewing and customizing your Notion bullet journal. It is essential to conduct regular reviews, perhaps weekly or monthly, to reflect on your progress and plan ahead. Notion allows extensive customization of templates and views, so tailor them to perfectly fit your unique workflow. Leverage powerful filters and the search bar to quickly locate any specific information you need, making your journal truly efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.